Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today I want to find the value of this expression 4 minus 4 times 3 minus 3. So 4 minus 4 gives us 0, and 0 times 3 gives us 0. Now 0 minus 3 gives us negative 3. But this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS, we have to solve this math expression in this way. First, parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. According to this rule, we have one multiplication here that we have to solve it first. So 4 times 3 gives us 12. Now we have 4 minus 12 minus 3. So as we know, when we have more than one subtraction in one expression, we have to solve from left to right. So 4 minus 12 gives us negative 8. So negative 8 minus 3 gives us negative 11. The final answer is negative 11. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you.